So here we are, Douglas Sand Dune Trail. I'm going to try and go around the whole sand dune this time. It's going to be a hot day. It's a really nice hike in. Nice little path, little trail. Right up to the sand dunes. Whoa! Getting close to the main dune, pretty warm already. They say not to come in here if it's 25 above or more. I think it's like 21, 22 already. And the cactus have just finished flowering. Sure nice in here. Little shade from the sun just now. It's quite hot though, pretty hot already, and pretty sandy underfoot. Well, we're pretty close. Over that hill are the sand dunes. So it's been a really nice walk in. Let's go explore the sand dunes. Well, here's a better view of the start of the dunes. Well, this is one end of the dunes, and you can see it just falls right off. You know, things survive on these deserts, sand dunes, but look at these grasses, they're just beautiful. Just beautiful. That opens up more of the sand dune. Lovely. Well, that was the top end of the dune. Now we're going more towards the centre of it, and as you see, it continues. So onward, onward. So quiet here, just me and nature, beautiful. Love it. Hard work going up these dunes. The sand is so soft. Anyway, this is the middle end, I guess, way over there. Come quite a ways already, but it just seems to go on forever. Wow. I think it's time for a little rest and change of shirt. Oh, this is the last stretch. Get to the end of it. Well, this looks like the end of it. All I can see behind me now here is grassland again. Wow. Wow. It's been a good hike in. Find my way out here again. I'll go down the south side of it. Or the west side, I guess. The side I wasn't on. But here is the end, I'll show you. Well, I'm halfway in the other side. Really hot now. 25 degrees, so the sand makes it warmer, I think. Anyway, onwards, a little bit of grass and up to the next dune there. And head out of here. It's getting toasty. Oh, that's me leaving the dune now. Up and over the hill and onto the trail. Just heading out now, halfway back on the little trail. It's been a good day, really hot. I think it's like 26, 27 now. It keeps getting warmer here. But it's been fantastic to do the whole sand dunes trail. Never done that before. So I hope you enjoyed, if you watched. Homeward.